And everyone around me in a mask and some gloves. The stock market crashed and the bank's about to bust. Tell us sanitize our hands, this will pass. It's a bug, stay inside, you'll be fine till we're trapped there for months. It's a ghost town, we're in this together. They're closing all the stores down, we're heading for shelter. It's a war now, they'll always remember. We're locking all our doors down, we're sticking together.
Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, I got a lot of stuff going on the workbench right now. Got a whole pile of batteries over there to recharge from our run we had yesterday. And got a whole pile of lipos being storage charged right there. Got some stuff in the works back there. And general tools and stuff. And then we got this. Pretty excited about this. I haven't even opened the box at all yet. It's still got the little plastic packaging on it. So let's get into this. Get a little look at the box here. So we got our tires. Those are actually nice and soft, softer than I thought they would be. Those should get some pretty decent grip. Those actually look almost like stock old school Stampede tires, about the same size. Oh yeah, we got our ABS molded body in black here. This is the black edition, in case you didn't notice from the box. There's that bad boy. F100 pickup, that's cool looking. Got our CW01 bathtub style chassis here. Pretty solidly built piece. Set all this stuff aside as I pull it out of the box. Throwing these kind of things in the garbage, of course. Looks like our transmission parts tree, or one of them right here. Got the tranny halves right there. Same thing as on the Hornet. Got the outdrive adapters. Gear cover there for the tranny. Got our body parts tree here. Got a bumper. Got our light buckets. Our nice F100 grill right there. Nice parts tree. This is another body parts tree, along with the notoriously weak body mounts. I'll come up with a workaround for those sooner or later. I got some stuff in the works I think you guys will probably like, but it's not going to be ready for, I don't know, probably a month or two anyway before I let you guys know what I've been up to. Here's the windshield, all the glass that goes inside the body. It's actually plastic, of course, but lens covers. Got our ESC in here. Which one is that? I'm going to open it up. So it's the TBL02, Tamiya ESC. Front bumper, of course. Another, looks like a chassis parts tree. Oh yeah, we got some suspension mounts and under parts for the chassis. Looks like some shock parts there too. This is our last parts tree, it looks like. So we got our servo horns and servo savers, front and rear suspension arms, probably some more shock parts right there. Actually not sure what's in this box. Midnight Pumpkin, 470. Okay, we got our wheels in there. Yeah, that's gonna be cool. And then we got, oh yeah, of course, all our hardware and gears and whatnot. I'm not gonna pull all those out and unbox them individually, but there they are. And of course we got, oops, decals, instruction manual, and antenna tube. And that's about it for the unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm looking forward to building this thing. Stay tuned for that.